Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you're not yet subscribed, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also, guys, follow the Telegram so you will not miss out on any updates. I will put a link into the Telegram in the comment section. Now, if you take a look at this, our EURGBP, if you have to zoom it out, especially when you go to your daily time frame, you can clearly see that we are in a downtrend move. Euro GBP is very much a trend to the downside, right? Now, if you take a look at this here, if this is our low on Euro GBP, here will be taken to be as our lower high. Here is will be seen as a lower low. The here will be taken to be our lower high. Then this will be seen as our lower low. This will be seen as a lower high. Now we are expecting market to drop further. See, it eventually form a new lower low, thereby taking out this previous lower low. So our next movement and our next bias on Euro GBP will be a sell that will eventually form a new lower low. So we've gotten a multiple rejection here. Market drop massively, came back up. So we've now seen another multiple rejection. So we are expecting market to drop again massively. So guys, our next movement on our next forecast on Euro GBP would be another sell for the day. So for the day, we are expecting Euro GBP to actually sell and give us a new low. Now, could there be any changes to this movement? Absolutely yes. But if in case there is any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button, like and share.